Hello YouTubers, today I will show you the pen test, scratch test and tear down of this model. This is the Life Wind 7 model. First I will remove this ring from the back panel and then I will show you the branding of 5 at the back of this back cover. Here is the Life branding on the back cover. As you see, this is the Life model. Now I will remove the glass guard from the screen because we will perform scratch test. It seems a very good quality glass guard. Now we done removing glass guard from the screen. Some lining left due to the borders of the glass guard on screen. Now we will start tear down. Remove the back cover. The back cover is made of plastic. It is flexible plastic. Now remove its battery. Down here we have 11 Phillips head screws. We need to unscrew them. First we will unscrew all the Phillips head screws. It's almost done. Now we will remove the mid plate. With the help of prime tool you can remove it easily. But keep in mind it's very fragile. It will break easily. You have to remove it slowly. Now there are 2 more screws. You have to unscrew them to get the motherboard out from the casing. Other 2 screws has been unscrewed that held up motherboard. There are 2 ribbon connections. First we need to remove them to get the motherboard out from the casing. We need to remove them, and there is button connector, digitizer connection and the display connector. There is 8 megapixel rear camera. This camera is autofocus camera. See, it moves. This is a autofocus camera. Here is motherboard. There are two copper tapes. The copper tape helps to dissipate heat energy from the motherboard. This is a better quality copper tape. It helps to dissipate the heat from the motherboard. There is another metal tape on the display side. There is 5 megapixel front camera. This is fixed focus camera. It does not have any autofocus. This is what all we get out of this mobile device: battery, mid plate, motherboard, two cameras, and a folder. Folder means the display and digitizer both are fused together to make a folder, and the only display and the digitizer cannot be separately replaced. Both can be placed together. This is called folder. There is a earpiece on the display side, the little earpiece on the mid plate. There is a speaker down here. This is power button connector, this is digitizer connector, and the left one is display connector. Both cameras, earpiece and speaker were saved for future uses. Now we will reassemble this device, and then we will perform scratch and bend test. I have screwed all Phillips head screws. Now we will perform scratch test and bend test. First we will perform scratch test. This is equivalent to the level 6 hardness. There are some scratches. Now we will use razor. This is equivalent to the level 7 hardness. It leaves the deeper grooves. See, these scratches are deeper than previous ones. The same glass covers back, home and recent apps buttons. Frame is made of plastic. As you see, the razor can easily cut through it. There is decorative earpiece grill, but this is not earpiece. Earpiece is down below it. A little damage. This is A for vlogs. Vlogs. A for vlogs. Now the time for camera lens scratch test. There are no visible scratches, so this is a good quality glass. No scratches. Good, well done, life. The flash cover glass is made of plastic. There is no glass. It scratches easily. Mid plate also made of plastic. Now the time for bend test. I need gloves because glass particles from the broken display can pierce my skin. This will be very painful later. So I need gloves. Always wear gloves when handling glass materials. Time for the bend test. Boom. The display has been broken in the middle. Not a very reliable phone. A cheap quality phone. Oh god. The whole screen is cracked. And this is why I wear the gloves, because these tiny particles can pierce through my thumbs and will hurt more. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. This is from A for Vlogs.